Welcome to the Financial Jungle. This is Sharekhan Podcast.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Sharekhan Podcast. And today's edition promises to be an exciting one because it revolves around one of the most highly anticipated topics for the working Indian. So without further ado, let's dive in and get the Sharekhan's take on the upcoming Union Budget for 2021-22 set to be presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on February 1st. Kindly note, this is an informational piece and not a recommendation. The 21-22 Union Budget comes on the backdrop of an unprecedented pandemic which has changed the economic landscape materially. This is the first instance where India has seen an economic contraction in the last many decades and also the first GDP decline since country began publishing quarterly numbers in 1996. Sharekhan believes that the pandemic has caused significant business and livelihood disruptions and the focus of Union Budget will be to soothe and support the economy with a special focus on the common man. Sharekhan is of the view that government is expected to limit the fiscal deficit to 7% of GDP despite higher expenditure and lower revenues for this fiscal. Privatization, asset sales as in hard assets or equity offerings of PSU units like LIC and off-balance sheet borrowings could be the highlights of fiscal management measures in the forthcoming budget. The FY22 budgetary assumptions, particularly on revenue and borrowing fronts, will be keenly watched. Let's find out which are the sectors to watch out for. The Union Budget would likely focus on investments that create jobs and therefore infrastructure, construction and significant incentives for high employment generating sectors like textile, affordable housing, MSME, etc. Moreover, a multi-year roadmap for the economy and a policy framework to boost GDP and export is likely to be shared. Further extensions, granularity of PLI scheme to boost manufacturing might also be announced in the budget. Hence, infrastructure, real estate, construction and railways are some sectors which may be in the focus in the upcoming budget 2021. Let's now go through the Sharekhan's pre-budget pick. Among the large cap, L&T, Hero MotoCorp, Ultratech, Cement, Ashok Leyland, M&M, HPCL, IGL and SBI. Among the mid caps, BEL Limited, Coromandel International, KEC International, KNR Construction, Century Plyboards and Carborundum Universal. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our Union Budget 2021-22 preview report or contact our nearest branch. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan Podcast and thank you for listening in as always.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.